I honestly think it's similar to most, even private sector enterprises. It's finding the data itself. Most of the information sits in mailboxes. It's very rare that it's sitting in a central repo. So that really becomes the fundamental problem, is there's really no aggregation process to start to get the data together. And then each organization is in its silo. I was at a conference actually at the healthcare conference in Ontario a few months ago, another PSI one. And the biggest challenge there is every electronic health record company has its own format, right? So really, even eventually when you find the data and you somehow manage to structure the data, the silos can't talk to each other because there's no bridge. So beyond accessibility, which we're showcasing today and tomorrow, where we're captioning all of the sessions, we go beyond that where we run in courts. You can get automated first drafts, which are very, very accurate. While they're not court certified to go to appeal, they do reduce the transcription time and the transcription cost and improve access to justice. On the healthcare side, there are opportunities with clinical dictation and with first responder documentation, where as long as the conversation is recorded, you can turn it into reports and log notes that are then useful for downstream workflows and even tracking of events. So from a public engagement perspective, access to justice, speed of response, just being able to support the end citizen with better information is one. And then back office operations, really it's around efficiency. I think they need to look at current operations, look at current processes, figure out if there's opportunities to modify those processes, to take advantage of speech automation, document automation, but then where things will go. I think at some point, I don't believe it's going to be full automation, but you will have human-enabled, human and AI together as processes so that you're really driving true efficiency with taxpayer dollars in the end. Early days, it was to understand if there was opportunities to work in the public sector, but now it's about relationship building and seeing how different public sector departments work to see if there's opportunities around our product line and how we can build it to better tailor it to the public sector. And honestly, some of these events will give us insight into upcoming digital transformations that are happening, because you do get to connect with different people in different departments that do have insight into what's happening. This is I never say trade shows are where people buy. It just can't be. But it's about understanding the market. Trade shows such as this one, especially where it's only public sector. It's very hard to find trade shows with public sector. You get to understand the market, and over time you get to build relationships and build your brand. So from my perspective, that's important for us.